Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha. And from the scene that title, no says a dance tune. And from the say dance tune, no say Anisha. And from the say Anisha, no say dance tune. Because I know say my thing, that isn't me. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play tune.
DNG and Johnny and the actor. Let's go. TNT.
Everybody, move your body, sweat up your body, free up your body.
Pause. I will say exercise and cardio, yeah. I will say exercise and cardio. Yo, when them song you playing at the dance, yo, you sweat, you're tired. They need more than dance, yeah. They should have more of them song in the pandemic. Come here, tell you, say people with a fit has a figure. Play a tune.
Come on, 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 come on,
To the world. To the world. Timeless dance. To the world. In the sky. To the world. Everybody now. Who take over the dancing world? Have it locked like Jerry in a curve. Give them a diamond and a pearl. Everywhere you be going. To the world. To the world. Slam them. Slam them. Slam them.
Yo, big man thing. Some of them dance movie and don't make no sense. They are so basic. These dance moves are so basic. Just 1, 2, 3. Yo, but me that the beat make the dance them, make the dance move them, the choreography and the group dancing make the thing them just shot. Me not like play tune.
What them a do? Slam them. All together now. Dance you want dance and please a fan there. Show up all of your name brand there. This are the dancers and there. Slam them, slam them, slam them, slam them. Block them out. Block them out. Block them out. They are done. Block them out. Mother road now. East, west, north, south. Pass the tiger free to work out. From the firm all the day in your mouth. Block them out, block them out, block them out, block them out. Lugga, lugga. Lugga, lugga. Stop to them.
No for uno name member some of them dance here. No for uno, no member some of them dance here. I know that you no see them, it'll come back to you and say, yo, dog, me used to bad pan them dance moves here back in the day, you know. Back in my younger days. Play it.
Alright, from the north to the north, and they can't say you resemble color. Make no money for the girl, them overdrive. Cadillac overdrive. Brisket overdrive. Work the stop right. Take on the dancing line. Jump out like you a skydive. Swam the floor like this in the hall.
Yo, let me tell you something. You see, before me did married and have children, yo, let me tell you something. You see me and my brother them, I'm telling you something. Nobody take me simply, you know. Nobody take me simply, you know. Back in the days, you know, man, I was a tomboy, you know, man, to the fullest. You see all them a dance? Yes, yo, you see them a dance, yeah? You see them a dance, yeah? When me and my brother them touch the street, you know, good again. Remember me tell you, play it.
This gun, that's what every birthday they own. From you know you know dancing tongue. Master and Gary Chow.
Everybody, move your body, sweat up your body, free up your body. Come on, come on.
What is recess? Why this teacher walk on a mag so? As somebody should come to school if you come look. Clear.
One for the Guinness and one for the whip. On the dance floor, bad mind we no need. Phone pressure, take it on and I proceed. Shut on the corner when you want up. Top speed. That's the bird. Top speed. Move to them. Top speed. Gonna do it. Top speed. Statue. Come out of the way. Dance is a dance when the big tune up head. Put your foot on the step at the EJ. New York out.
RDX are going. I'll know I don't see them boss one dance move. Oh, this was before they turned Madman. Alright, play it.
We're gonna LA, LA. What we got? LA, LA. DNG squad. LA, LA. Watch your foot them. LA, 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 LA. Dance, dance. And jerk the earth from. You are a dancer from dirt. This a dancer in a concert. Hey, hey, total birds. March total birds. Total birds. In a flow. Take it from Kingston to London. You dance with them out, dance with the action. All them a go on, got the one time. Rock to the side all time, bad man. Bad man. Kill him, all time, bad man.
Yo, how much time? 3 minutes gone in a song. Oh, me I watch it now. And about 1 million dance move gone already and the song not done. So by the time you done this at 3 minutes here, you don't need no more exercise for your side here.
To the left, all time, bad man. To the right, all time, bad man, bad man, bad man, bad man. RD to the back, we talk the truth, them can't feel it, them bad. See them, they wonder what's coming next. Murder them in a musical context. RDX, Bermuda, RDX, hey boss, RDX, everybody, RDX, 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 RDX. Roll out the dancing tanker, pull up the money ship and drop the anchor. This is when we walk in at the bank bar. And the world tour, Ghana, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, you had God, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka.
Which dance? Wait, me no remember this a dance here. Sri Lanka, me no remember this a dance here.
Everybody, yeah, move your body, yeah, sweat up your body, yeah, free up your body, come on, 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 come on. Everybody, yeah, move your body, yeah, sweat up your body, yeah, free up your body, come on, 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 come on.
Pause. Me just pause the video because me have to pause it. Play a tune. School over. Oh, you done. Me did like that. So there you have it, guys. Once again, it's what? RDX Dancers Medley. So if you like the vibe, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, all them thing there. Drop suggestions in the comments below. And once again, it's your girl Anisha. Me soon up on the next video. You see it? Once again, I am out.